Ashley, that takes us right to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, who is tracking your back to school forecast on this Monday morning. Caitlin, looking behind you at some of these temperatures, not too chilly outside, in fact, pretty mild.
It's very nice this morning, but that won't be the case as we head into this afternoon. So you'll be able to leave that jacket at home for many of us. But then you have to prepare for this afternoon's heat. We're up to 54 degrees currently throughout the Klamath Basin in Northern California, into the 60s as we work our way west to the Cascades, and feels pretty nice outside with these clear skies. We're even tracking good visibility across the region, even out along the coast where we're still seeing perfect visibility. But take a look at how quickly we're expected to warm this afternoon. Now, while many of our kids are in school, by this afternoon when they get out, we're pushing the upper 90s to even 100 degrees for some of us west of the Cascades in Siskiyou County. Definitely going to be a scorcher. Out along the coast, we're feeling this heat into Brookings, a high of 80 today, thanks to these winds up to about 30 miles per hour. It's going to be warm and breezy for the southern Oregon coast. Working our way into Northern California, hot this afternoon as well. 97 your high today at Yreka, Fort Jones, Etna. Happy Camp, though, up to 104 degrees. For the Klamath Basin, as I said, hot again this afternoon. Chemult and Christmas Valley are starting off in the 30s this morning, but we're up into the mid-80s by this afternoon. Bly, Klamath Falls, as well as Chiloquin, all into the 90s later today. We're into the 70s, 80s, and even the 90s for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous today, all with temperatures expected to surge tomorrow. And the Rogue Valley, still hot. 97 your high this afternoon in Medford, 97 in Grants Pass, even Ashland getting into the 90s. Now heading into tomorrow, we'll see some of the hottest temperatures so far yet this season, as we'll see highs surge into the hundreds to about 110. This all for areas west of the Cascades and Northern California. We're seeing this excessive heat warning, and that's new this morning, go into effect at 3 p.m. tomorrow till 8 o'clock on your Wednesday night. You're going to stay hot. Now take a look at this. 105 your forecast high in Medford, just 1 degree away from the record of 106. We're up to 102 on Wednesday. And I want to say this, feeling those cooler temperatures on into the second half of this week, but 94 by all means still hot across the region. These cooler temperatures will come as a result of our next chance for rain and storms. Right now, we're not seeing a severe threat Wednesday, but we do see a threat for abundant lightning. So ahead of that Wednesday, we're seeing a fire weather watch issued for the entire region from 11 o'clock Wednesday morning till 11 o'clock Wednesday night. This, coupled with dry fuels, could spread fires very quickly. So something else we're tracking very closely as we head into this week. Otherwise, along the coast, we'll hit 80 today and back down into the 70s this week with increasing clouds by your Wednesday. Northern California's staying hot. 97 your high today, 103 tomorrow, all with plenty of sunshine and a slight chance of storms on Wednesday. Working our way east of the Cascades and into the Klamath Basin, we're up to 92 today, 94 for your Tuesday. Chance of storms as we head into your Wednesday and Thursday as temperatures return into the upper 80s. For the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, we're warm today at 86, but getting back into the 90s even for those higher elevations for your Tuesday. Chance of storms Wednesday and Thursday, and just downright hot for much of this week throughout the Rogue Valley. 97 today, 105 by tomorrow. 102 on your Wednesday with a slight chance of storms. We'll have another look at just how hot we're expected to get this week and what you can do to stay safe. That's all coming